Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to fix Vmprotectsdk32 Dll missing problem. First solution, open your browser and type here Dll files download and click on download Dll. Scroll down and here you'll find two versions, so we will download this last version, so click on download and wait 4 seconds and your file will be downloaded. And after that, open the downloaded zip file. We'll extract this zip file from here. Extract files. Okay, and now open the folder and here you'll find this download DLL file. Now all you have to need, just cut this file from here and go to the disk where you installed your Windows and click on Windows folder. Scroll down and open System32 folder and paste the DLL file here. Continue. So this is the first solution. Check if the problem is fixed or not, and if didn't work for you, then you will need to paste the downloaded DLL file inside of the program you are facing problem with. For example, I'm facing problem with Adobe Acrobat, so I'm going to right clicking on Adobe Acrobat and clicking on open file location, and all you have to need, just copy the downloaded DLL file from here and paste inside of program folder and click on continue. So that's how you can fix this problem. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.